Hello and welcome to free.net tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will see how we work on a login form like in a VB coding. Our front end is ASP.net and coding is VB.net. So this is a question asked by a viewer in my site. So let's see how it works now. Let's see with an example. I'll show you how the user enters and how we check in our backend. Like let's take two text boxes. Like think that first text box is our username and second text box is our password. You can use our test mode as password so that it shows a dotted thing. So let's see our table here. It has some values like some details like username and passwords, so we can use this table. So just double click on our button. So here just write imports a namespace for our SQL server to access SQL server commands and everything. So SQL client and dim connection as SQL connection. Okay, so yes, we need command also. So SQL command, and what I will do is I just use a data reader for this. Data reader. Okay, so here we instantiate the connection equal to new SQL SQL connection I think I got the connection. Let's copy this. Yeah, and cmd, let's open our connection here. Cmd equal to new SQL command. Let's use a SQL command like select command. Select star from login. Login is our login is our table name where we check with username. So is it there or not? Like username equal to text box 1 dot text. Okay, so let's close this, put some connection con. Okay, after this we use data reader to read the values is or there or not, like execute reader. Here I just put a condition like dr dot read to check whether any username is there or not, like whatever the user enters is there or not. Let's see first what will happen when I put like this. I just display like user exist. Or user details are correct. Okay, let's close this. You can write some if condition here, like if else, put like user doesn't exist. Let's build it. There's no error, so let's run and see how it works now. Everything fine, we didn't miss anything. So what I'll do is let's give any name first. Let's click on here button. You see user doesn't exist, and when I'm trying with emo, let's try with emo, that whatever, I mean the name who with exist one, like user details are correct. So we need to check with our password right now, so let's go and check with our password also. Like the user, it checks with the username, and let's retrieve the password here. I think the spelling is right. I spelled right. So after getting this, we need to check here in our if condition. So let's put like if tr of so and so, like 0 dot to string is double equal to or equal to text box 2 dot text, right? So let's close this. Here we can write another else. We can put, it's not, it's just if. Let's put and if here. Okay, now I'm done. So let's put some error messages here, like if it is okay, user details are right, or here like password incorrect. See that when I run our program, when I use some values here, it is dotted. So let's change the thing so that we can easily check our with our SQL database. If you want to put like dotted, you can use text mode as password. So let me run now and use some details like emo and 1 2 3 4 5. Let's go and put emo and 1 2 3 4 6. When I click on button, you see password incorrect, right? When I click on, I change to 5 here, that is what is in our database. When I click on button, you see user details are correct. Got it? How to check the user identity? We need to take some credentials from our user and we need to check his identity with these credentials. Okay, that's it. A small example on login page using VB code as a front end of ASP.NET. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.